Pokemon, ano?
Minsan nagtataka ako kung mahal ba talaga ako ng asawa ko o tingin lang niya sa akin ay isang Pokemon na legendary. Now we're here in Taipei. So happy that he is happy.
Pokemon Taipei exclusive.
Okay, so dito lang siya. The milk tea and the wheel cake. Don't know.
Manado lang pwedeng maging dahilan na hindi ko pagkakalakad.
Bakit?
Tendon.
Let's try. Natatabangan ako. Good morning from Taiwan. It's a rainy Monday today.
July.
And we're out and about. Today is July 21. Tapos na yung birthday mo, ah.
Yeah.
Wala ka ng special treatment.
Wala na.
Tapos na yung birthday mo.
Wala po Pokemon pa rin tayo.
So, yesterday, yung plan namin is to go to Taipei 101 and Pokemon Center. Dahil birthday niya. Pero since natulog kami, hindi kami nakalabas. So, yeah, super puyat. So, we just spent our night in Ximending. So, nag-food trip na lang kami doon. And, since natulog kami, di ba dapat hindi na kami pupunta ng Taipei? Joke lang. Sige, tuloy pa rin kami sa Pokemon Center kahit tapos na yung birthday niya. So, we're on our way to a breakfast place called Yong He Soy. And yeah, it's already 9 AM and breakfast time. Let's go! Tawad from where? Diretso.
Kasi kulang ang sidewalks dito na may cover. I believe hindi pala. Pwede naman tayo.
It's a rainy day today. And tama naman ang sabi ng ating AccuWeather. Pero nag-wish pa din ako na sana umaraw para lang magpakita ang Taipei 101. So, yeah. See you! Scene lang sa atin.
Yung lasa o yung happy meal?
Yung lasa niyan. Wow! Ang daming masarap na pagkain sa mga picture, pero nakakatakot mag-try. Ang daming... Ay, saan ba tayo? May Jordans daw dito. Actually, mainit, no? Naka-jacket lang kami kasi maulan. Mainit talaga yung weather. So, yung kakainan namin ngayon is a popular breakfast place, Yong He Soy. And it's only 240 meters away from our hotel. Kaya, nilakad na lang namin.
Tatawid tayo papaglan. Friend tight.
So, nakakatakot kasi parang madudulas ako. And for sure, mauuna pa tawanan ng asawa ko kaysa tulungan. Kaya hindi ako pwede madulas. Okay, so tatawid na tayo dito.
Rice milk daw yun. Rice milk.
Ito coffee yun.
Ito. Ito. Gusto mo ako sa 7-Eleven na lang ako. Ano ko? Gusto mo?
in-order mo?
Hindi ko alam eh. Pero sabi daw dun, steamed bread with egg chicken like meat. So may butong. May like meat daw.
Okay.
Ayun yung ano.
What is that?
Steamed bun with chicken meat and egg.
Okay, so there's chicken, there's meat, there's bread.
Then, ano to?
Bacon omelette.
Bacon omelette. Fried dumpling.
Fried dumpling.
Then,
Coffee.
iced coffee.
Actually, cold coffee, no ice.
Okay, let's eat. Super food.
Anong score?
Dahil mahilig ko sa chicken, 10 out of 10.
Weh!
Super
Sige, wait.
Di ba?
Let's try the bacon omelette. Sarap. Sarap. 10 out of 10. Bubo ah. Sarap din, no? Then the fried dumplings.
Total nito, 215. So, almost 420 pesos.
Ano tayo po?
250 NTD or 420 pesos.
For everything, no? Okay. Now we're here in Taipei 101. And ayun siya. Kaso hindi nagpapakita because maulan. Okay, so hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina. After the breakfast, it was a really good breakfast. Na-enjoy namin for a total of 400 NTD.
Okay.
Mali?
Mali.
Ano?
420 in pesos na.
Ay, mali. 420 in pesos pala. Tapos, nag-take kami ng Ximen Station going to Taipei 101. Tapos bumaba kami. Close pa yung Taipei 101 Observatory. Nag-picture-picture lang kami. But unfortunately, dahil nga umuulan, hindi nakita ang ating tower. So, now, we're in the hunt for, hindi pa hunt. We're on our way to the Pokemon Center. So, yun lang naman talaga yung gustong mapuntahan ni Bubu dito. Diba?
Pwede na mag-sis sa hotel.
Pag napuntahan na namin to, pwede na kaming magstay na lang sa hotel. Tapos pwede na kami umuwi. Sige. Tapos nag-promise siya. Anong promise mo sa akin pag nagpunta tayo Pokemon Center? One of each?
One lang.
One lang.
One lang of each.
One of each. Ayun, super fan talaga siya ng Pokemon ever since pa. So, on his 35th birthday, give na natin sa kanya ang Pokemon Center ng Taiwan. Okay, see you later! Nagmamadali. Nakabukas lang ng mall. Ayan na siya. Nakita na. Nagmamadali pa yan. Ay, asawa ko. Parang bata. Tapos katabi ng Pokemon Center yung Nintendo. Nintendo shop. This is the Pokemon Center in Taipei. Ay, kadali, picturean kita! Dali, picturean kita! Dali, ako na lahat ang gamit mo. Picture! Yay! Happy ka?
Super. I'm gonna go now.
Okay, go inside. Bye! So happy that he is happy. Dahil finally nakarating siya sa Pokemon Center ng Taipei. Now we gotta go and find something very, very important. Which is CR. Kailangan ko mag-CR. Ano yan?
Si Ho-Oh.
See?
Ho-Oh, legendary from the Generation 2.
Okay, this one. This one, this one.
This one is Eevee.
Okay.
OG, Generation 1.
Okay.
Then,
And then?
I believe this is a Pokemon Taipei exclusive na Pikachu.
Okay, so dito lang siya.
I believe so. Pero kung hindi, so be it.
Hindi rin siya sure. Okay, ano pa mga hinol mo?
Ito lang. Tas,
Ano yan?
yung Tommy na figure, Ceruledge.
May ganyan ka na yun.
Hindi, ano yun, isa. Forget the name. Then may freebie sila from the Mega Evolution. Meron din ang wife ko. Then, syempre, Taipei Pokemon cards. Ay, baliktad. Hindi na po ako makadala. Yan.
You should get a basket.
No, binibigyan na nga ako, baka mapadami lagay. So, ayan, mga OGs. Look, oh. Lahat sila OGs. So, meron tayong mga legendary there. So, yung cute ito.
And this is me the entire time na nag-explain siya.
Lalo pa sila nakakaubos ang pera dito. Pokemon, ano?
Minsan nagtataka ako kung mahal ba talaga ako ng asawa ko o tingin lang niya sa akin ay isang Pokemon na legendary. Legendary yarn! And I'm sure deserve naman yan ng aking hobby. Super saya niya. Saya-saya ko for him. Kasi excited siya talaga magpunta dito sa Pokemon Center. Wala, sobrang saya niya. Ayan. I'm so happy for him. Support lang ako. Kasi nag-work hard naman siya palagi. So, a little bit of treat na mga ganyan. Hindi naman siya malala mag-collect ng things to the point na super napapabayaan na niya yung bills and all. So, a little treat for my hobby is okay and I am super supportive. What's our next agenda?
Tingin lang sa Nintendo.
Okay, sige, go! Ano?
Hindi pa. Not now.
Inalaban mo ba? Explain mo yung ano.
Explain ko to. So,
Hindi, yung bakit ayaw mo.
ano wala pa kasi yung Pokemon version. Kaya di sayang bili.
Okay, so ang ina-explain ni Hobby is every time na may lumalabas na bagong Switch. So, anyari, this one, Switch 2, nagkakaroon ng parang limited edition after some time. For example, parang Animal Crossing or Super Mario. So, ngayon, gusto niya antayin na lang yung mga exclusive kesa bumili siya nung release ng 2 tapos mag-release din naman ng mga limited. So, yun yung explanation niya why nag-aantay siya and hindi siya nagmamadaling bumili ng Switch 2. At saka kakabili lang din niya ng OLED. So, yun. station ng Siemens train station. May Cremia dito at saka Mr. Donuts. So let's go! Yum yum! And Cremia too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bubu Yee! Finally! Yay! Finally got a hand on Mr. Donut! Anong tawag dito sa Mr. Donut?
Ha? Anong
tawag dito?
Mochi
Donut. Okay, next. May Cremia kaming nakita dito.
Ano?
What did you get? Original. Yay! Cremia. What a nice shop. Cute. So, upo muna kami dito habang kakain ng ice cream and donuts. Harap. Bubo. Share tayo sa ice cream.
Dahil di pa nag-lunch.
Dahil di ba kami nagla-lunch? Is it the same? Is it the same? It's the same. Actually, ang masarap dito is yung cone. Sarap.
Then, next is
Sarap. Yummy. Ito yung Cremia dun sa Japan. Ano in-order mo?
double chocolate. Tapos dito. Pagka-chewy. Mochi kasi.
Mochi donut. So next is this strawberry Mr. Donut mochi donut ponde strawberry. So let's try. Masarap. Masarap kaysa sa chocolate.
Ano pa lang? Bango.
Sarap.
Good choice.
Mas gusto ko kasi sa chocolate. We're here in modern toilet. So it's just here, super lapit lang sa amin. Ayan, so ito yung parking lot. This is modern toilet.
Sauce.
Can I see? How cute! Wow! This is Thai pepper chicken. Yeah, I don't have rice, but it's okay.
My dad doesn't want to be struggling, so he doesn't want to like. I understand too. Like, you don't want to uproot your life to go set up a backup plan that you may or may not need, especially when he has stuff going on. So, anyways, yeah.
Ano pa? Ano pong menu?
Napamasa ako. Parang gusto ko dalawa. Tigisa tayo.
Sige. Small na lang.
Dalawang small?
Ikaw, ano ba? Ano kaya mo?
Kala ko lahat yan. Hindi pa ako gutom eh. Alam mo sa soto?
Parang pares.
Oo.
So, we're here in Laotion. We're here in Laotion Dong. Beef noodles. Recommended. I've seen it on TikTok. And let's see, it's a Michelin Guide restaurant. You ordered beef noodles, tapos ibubunod order ng rice. So, pretty much like a pares, I think. Kasi it's beef and tendon over rice. So, sa akin naman over noodles. And dumplings. So, let's see.
Tikman natin ang pwedeng maging dahilan na hindi ko pagkakalakad.
Bakit?
Tendon.
Wow! Gout. Greatest of all time. Let's see. Kain tayo. Let's see. Let's try. Nasatabangan ako. Ikaw ba?
Dabang.
Matabang. Let's see. Grabe yun. That was a good one. Nag-enjoy ka ba?
Oo. Hilo lang ako eh.
Bakit?
Tendon eh.
Feeling ko.
Parang sumasakit pa ako.
Bakit?
Tumatalab yung tendon.
Greatest of all time gout. Anyway, so that was a good one. Sobrang simple lang pero masarap. Noon first taste ko, hindi siya ganun kalasa. So may feeling ko natabangan ako pero kailangan mo pa pala siyang timplahin. So figure out pa namin yun. Ang masarap sa kanya yung dumplings niya. Super sarap ng dumplings. And now, we're going back to cementing, the heart of cementing. Because wala lang. Ikot-ikot lang dito.
Bili ng milk tea.
Hanap ng milk tea. And kung ano-ano. Nabusog ka?
Oo. Busog ko tama lang. Hindi yung super busog na.
Bundat?
Oo.
Tipong kaya mo pang maghanap ng
Milk tea.
milk tea. Sige, pili tayo. Okay. Ang saya, wala ng ulan. So, nandito kami ngayon sa labas. We're gonna check out naman. Sana tomorrow wala ding ulan. Because we have a tour tomorrow. Yung alin?
Yung kanina pinta natin.
Ooh. Ano, I'm bad with... Bubutay natin yun, no? Ayan. Milk tea at saka chop cake. The inspiration for our Kekitoki business, the milk tea and the wheel cake. So from now on, let's not call it jack cake, it's wheel cake. Wheel. So this one is custard cream flavor. And this one is brown sugar milk tea. They're best sellers. Both their best sellers. So let's try. Brown sugar milk tea, wheel cake. Parang Kekitoki. It's good. So if you want, you can also order to us.